Hi, I'm Gloria, and welcome to another video in the Celoxis Learning series. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating project tabs in Celoxis. Project tabs are a powerful feature that allows you to access project-specific data, such as files, discussions, time logs, and trends, all organized under individual tabs within your project. Let's get started on how to create these project views. First, log into your Celoxis account as an admin user. Once you're logged in, click on your profile and click on Admin. On the Admin menu, click on Projects and then Project tab. To create a new project tab, click the plus Add button at the top. You'll then need to select the report type you want to display in the project view. For now, let's choose Tasks. Give a name to the report, and if you wish to restrict this per workspace, use this drop-down and select the workspace. Then, in the Output tab, select the output format that best suits your needs. Celoxis offers various options, including tabular, Gantt, card, calendar, charts, and metrics. For this example, let's keep it tabular and add a column named Priority. In the Filters tab, customize the filters to display the specific data you want to see. In this example, let's add a Schedule Health filter and set it to At Risk. We can also add a Display Task and set it to In Progress. Finally, the Settings tab allows you to set up sharing and visibility options for your project view. Once you've configured everything, save your settings. The project view is available now, and you can drag and drop it to reorder it. Now, let's go to one of our projects and click on it. Here, you can see the view available. You can create different types of views that suit your needs. Thank you for watching. I'm Gloria, and I'll catch you in the next one.